welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we have a flat tire. This morning my wife was driving the car and this tire was completely flat. So we pumped it up, got it back to the house, and now I'm going to show you how I patch it and fix it. So now we have to figure out where the leak is coming from. Let's go ahead and remove the wheel. Alright, we're going to start by jacking up the vehicle. Do we have any lock nuts on there? No. That's good. How many lock nuts on the car? So what we're going to use just a 2x4 to chock the wheel. Keep it from rolling anywhere. We don't need it very high. We're just lifting it up. We're not crawling underneath, so we don't need jack stands. .21mm. Alright, so I found the nail. Pretty easy to spot right there. And it's pretty close to the sidewall, but I think it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and fix it. We don't take this car onto the highway at very high speeds, so it should be okay. I think, yeah, most of the time we stay kind of on this side of town. But I'm going to go ahead and patch it up, and I'll show you step by step how I patch it up. Alright, so we're just pushing this pin, the valve stem, and letting the air out. I was going to remove the valve stem, but we just need to let air out. We don't really need to remove it completely. Yeah, it's pretty dry. So we get a needle nose and we pull this out. That's a big nail.
Right now all the air is gonna come out.
Yeah, the air is leaking out. Can you hear it? No.
Yeah. What are you gonna put in it?
So we have this slime kit right here.
Slime?
Yeah.
What's this? You have a slime kit?
So it's the slime brand.
Oh.
Tire plug kit. So we're gonna plug that hole basically. So this is just a temporary fix. This isn't a permanent fix. So you try to trace.
The camera is shaking.
Right here. So right now we're cleaning the threads. So you put that tool through it, and then you pull it out like that. And this cleans the threads and gets it ready for the plug.
That's how they fix people's tires.
Normally you should be fixing it from the inside patch. Alright, so we're gonna get one of these little strings, rubber strings, or rubber plugs. And these are pretty sticky. Look at that. Do you see this tool we have right here? Hope you guys can see. The shadow is red. The sun's right behind. pull it about halfway like that. Now we put adhesive, rubber cement. Take this and we push it all the way in. So you see how I pushed it in about that much. Okay, so now we pull this back out. There we go. Now we get a razor and we cut that. All right, so I have a razor blade. We're just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and get this wheel back on. We'll pump it up after we mount it. Grab our torque wrench. Set it to 80. So crisscross pattern. Go ahead and lower the car back down and go real slow when you do this.